What's up guys, Johan here. Today at the shop we've got my dream car. We've got a GT3 RS Weissach spec. It's in the shop today for a single stage correction. We're going to do frontal self-healing pre-cut PPF. We're going to ceramic coat the whole car and detail the interior. I'm super excited. It's one of my dream cars. It's going into the shop now. We'll show you as we go along. So we've got our towing vehicle. Then we've got 3 track weapons. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment down below. We've got the new GT3 RS. We've got the new GT4. We've got the brand new GR Yaris Rally Edition. My favorite car that we had so far at 2J's, the GT3 RS. This car came in, we did a single stage correction. We applied premium shield, self-healing, pre-cut PPF over the front of the car. We did the roof, the 8 pillars, the wheel arches as well as the dorsals. We then applied our geode ceramic coating over the rest of the car. We detailed the inside. It looks brand spanking new, it's shining, it's glossy, ready for the track.